Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I was picking tomato and callaloo. So this is another set of callaloo that I just picked cut. It's a lot. So I cut. So see, callaloo. Cut the callaloo. Tomatoes. In my bowl guys. I don't know if you can see. In the bowl, see callaloo, tomatoes and kale. So yes guys, these are what I got from my garden this morning, just now. See, it's a lot callaloo. All these green part callaloo. So I'm gonna save the seed. I'm gonna save the seed to plant back for next year. This green part is the seed, so I'm gonna put them to dry. The seed part, I'm gonna cut this part out. I'm gonna cut this part out and then I'm gonna put it to dry. And when it dry, I'm gonna save them for next year to plant. Yes, people, so it's a lot of rain. We're getting a lot of rain. My time is still picking. And the tomatoes are huge, but they're not ripening. The small ones, like these small ones, ripen a lot, but the bigger one not ripen. So this is the color where I get all the callaloo, cut the callaloo from. I'm still getting my okras coming. I don't know. Yes, people still having stuff growing, bearing. Look, all these huge tomatoes, guys. Oh my gosh, I just break one of the green ones, but I just put it down to ripe. See? And because we're getting so much rain, guys, look what's going on. They're not ripening. This guys. So this is all the callaloo I got today. Basil. I got basil. That's from the seed. Wow guys, rain is coming down. So this is all the callaloo. Callaloo I got. Tomatoes.